Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to share three pretty cool applications that I think are worth a share. I think you guys are really going to appreciate these applications. Now, two out of the three that I'm going to share today actually come from the jailbreak side of iOS. If you've jailbroken your device in the past, you're going to find a lot of this stuff very familiar. Now, let's begin with the first application. And the first application goes by the name of CarOS. Now, you may remember a jailbreak tweaker application called CarPlay iOS. Now, the developer has converted it over to the App Store, and it has a little different UI because it can't really use the exact same CarPlay UI if it's going to be in the App Store. This is a subscription service, but it does allow you to get a CarPlay friendly UI interface on your iOS device, so you don't have to really upgrade your vehicle's head unit. And right here you have some of the standard stuff. You have your phone, your music, your maps, your messages, all this stuff. It really works with Siri and has very great user interface to interact with the service. And I think it's pretty cool. It has the Now Play option where you can go ahead and browse your music now playing, including podcasts. You can also tap into the safety features of this application, which allow you to adapt front-facing and rear-facing cameras onto your vehicle and also record just in case something happens while you're on the road. So it does also offer that. It offers you different options where you can tap and hold on applications and get different effects. So if you tap and hold on one of the apps, it allows you to position the apps anywhere you want, just like this. But it also has support for a lot of third-party applications, which I thought it was pretty cool, like Spotify, Google Maps, and things like that. So it's pretty cool. And also some podcast applications are also supported. Now if you tap and hold, it's going to give you a different user interface. You got your map on the left, the speed, you also have the distance where you're traveling, the time, the weather, and all that good stuff. If you double tap here on the status bar, you get right here your volume, your CarPlay options, and then you also have your brightness. So I think it's a pretty cool application. Even though it is a subscription based service, you can try it out for 7 days. I think it is right here, it is $20 for a yearly subscription and $2 for a monthly subscription. But I believe it's a 7-day free tryout if you check it out in the App Store, and you can try it out. Maybe it would be enough to replace your current radio in your car without having to spend hundreds of dollars and get a pretty similar user interface that you would get with Apple CarPlay. The next application on the list is Evercore. Now Evercore is an application that also comes from the jailbreak side of iOS, and it gives you some options here to broadcast yourself and record the screen of your iPhone. It is free at the moment, so I would recommend you check it out right now before it goes to 99 cents. As you can see here, this promotion right now goes for free initially, and Evercore will cost 99 cents after this promotion. So go ahead and check it out, read up on that, and right here it is. It's an application that allows you to record the screen and also broadcast where you're recording directly to a website like YouTube or something like that. So record and broadcast. Right here you can go ahead and input the URL. You also have other options here for frame rates, resolution. You can play around with these settings, but the main function of this is to broadcast your screen and also record screen capturing on your device. The way to activate this application, all you have to do is 3D touch on the record button here on the screen capturing with iOS 11, and then select Evercore. If you want audio, you have to select microphone, and then start broadcast right here. So this is going to allow us to record the screen of the iOS device, broadcast it if we have input URL to the section right here. If not, it's just going to simply record the screen, and once you're done, you just simply tap here, stop, and that's all you have to do. You'll see your recording will actually go to the application because we selected this app. You'll see that the recording just completely starts playing as you would expect, and then you can also broadcast this directly to whatever URL you prefer. So pretty cool application. I recommend you check it out in the App Store below right now. And now the third application that I want to share with you guys goes by the name of OLEDX, and I have a standalone video for this one because it gives you somewhat of the always on display on iPhone 10 with a few little tricks using guided access. You can lock your device and actually get a very useful lock screen implementation with this application. For those of you who haven't watched that video, this is better used for iPhone 10 given the fact that we have the OLED display on the iPhone 10, which allows us to simply turn off the other pixels, or allows the device to turn off the entire screen and only use the pixels that are being used for the always on display, therefore preventing screen burning and battery drainage. So right there it is, OLEDX or OLED X, available in the App Store as of right now as well, so you can go ahead and check it out. Links will be in the description for all these applications. I thought these were worth a share, and I thought you guys might find these applications rather interesting, so links will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.